God, dude, I'm so laggy.
We can all
I
blame
know I
Perfect.
took you down some. Great.
God, dude, I'm so laggy. I don't think I'm gonna be able to record. I'm super freaking laggy. Yeah, but see, dude, I'm at 20 FPS.
Now I'm gonna have to worry about another dude who can shotgun like a boss.
I can't record, dude. I'm way too laggy. I'm sorry.
Taters, you and your little
20
telekill, I saw
FPS
that.
just doesn't work. I can't. Like, yesterday it wasn't lagging as much, or a couple days ago. But at 20 FPS I can't.
Demo, I kinda need that.
Yeah, I can't lag either. I can't record either. I shouldn't have put it on HD. Reaper, come on now, bruh.
Just
How
don't,
do it?
if it lags real bad, don't worry about it, cause like, I can't. Like,
Hey
it's lagging
Taters,
that
where you
bad.
at? Alright, never mind.
Well, it doesn't lag you, CJ. Like mine, I'll show you
Ow.
what I did record, and you'll see how laggy it is.
Demo, what are you using?
I'm using the hold up. The R870 SE. But I want to use the Sega 20K camo, but it sucks balls.
I'm using the M580 or something like that.
Reaper, you try to get me while I'm reloading.
I'm reloading.
That was my last shot too.
Of course, Taters had a jackhammer. Can I kill you, Taters?
No.
I sold my jackhammer. Needed DP.
Stay away from me.
Is the jackhammer really that good?
No. It really sucks. I don't see how people get the kills with it that they do.
Come
There's
through.
no way you got that because of
What?
range.
Yo,
Really?
Who is
catch
it?
y'all later.
Poontang.
I'm gonna catch y'all later.
Later.
Where Recon go? Tell him he's a fuck boy.
User disconnected from your
Boom,
channel.
Howard, get out of here.
Aw, man, I headshot you.
Oh, fucking Boom Howard coming in here like, what the guy?
Oh my god.
I'm getting better with this shotgun thing.
Yeah, I'm getting slightly okay with it.
It helps you with accuracy.
Insta. You're a ninja. I swear I look back there and you just nothing.
Put it down, Demo.
Get big. Damn.
You
Ain't
put it
even gonna let me
down.
You weren't even gonna let me use it, son. How'd you know I picked it up? Oh, yeah, son,
Perfect, I was gonna test that. Oh, that was a bad spawn.
Insta, that's bullcrap. You knew that was complete lotto.
No, dude, I aimed for that.
No.
Yeah, I pushed the key. If I hadn't gotten hit, I would be angry.
Stop hunting me.
And Taters is just chilling back there.
Yeah, you come cast me.
I'm sorry. It's my spawn.
Yeah, anytime I get the
Did you
chance to
just
kill.
spawn there, Demo?
A little bit. Taters, how do you shoot both bullets at the same time with a double barrel?
Right click?
Your right click.
Oh, see, I was
You're
I was
welcome.
trying to click both buttons at the same time yesterday. Why do I have to be last? Like, Taters just beat me.
Ugh. You and that stupid shotty. Hate that
Yippee.
gun.
I hate you, Reaper.
I didn't do it. It was the gun. Aw, taters, come on.
Gun don't kill people. People kill people. Just put it that way.
What about knives?
Yeah.
Dang.
Damn it, dear.
I'm going paranoia mode.
Where's Demo? Demo hasn't died enough.
Yeah, I'm going
You and
paranoia
your
mode.
range, dang. Everybody kill Insta, don't let him win.
Yeah, that Sega 20K sucks balls.
Oh my god, he's double forever.
Aw.
I only got hit twice by I turn around, perfect. Come back. And
That freaking
Fucking
double barrel.
reload, man.
Double barrel.
Reaper!
Nice one, Reaper. Let's do sniper, nice.
Aw, I didn't want to reload.
Preferably jump pool.
He
What?
kept saying
What?
Suck.
Dang, nice.
Let's just do it.
Taco, you couldn't see me reloading?
You're such an aimbotter, Insta.
Jeez, Insta.
You never miss.
I got
And then
unbelievable. I got
and then he-
unbelievable with this thing.
And then he has the nerve to tell us that he does not have good accuracy.
No way.
Wow.
I told you.